Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to print A4 size here in Canva. Let's begin. Printing A4 designs in Canva is a simple process that offers several advantages, making it a popular choice for both personal and professional projects. For example, I'm working with a specific file here. You see, while working with this specific design, I wanted to print this as an A4 with dimension. All right, so I'm gonna add some background here. For example, I'm gonna be using this. Now, for you to be able to print this as an A4, all I'm gonna do is go to the share button on the upper right corner. You click that. And one of the best option for that is the PDF print, which is going to be an A4 size. All right. Now you need to check the crop marks and bleed if you want to ensure proper cutting, especially if your design goes to the edge of the paper. All right. You also have the option to flatten PDF or include notes if you're working with multiple freelancers or collaborators or client within this specific project. You also have the option RGB, best for digital use if you want to share this, or if you want to print this, you choose the CMYK, which is best for professional printing. All right, so these are some of your options. Now, another option for you to print an A4 is I want you to go to the file size right here. If you want, you can click on the create a new design and of course type in an A4. You can choose from document A4 portrait, document A4 landscape, and of course document US report. So it's up to you. For example, you're working with a letter A4. What will happen is you would be forwarded here in this section. I'm gonna rename this. I'm going to upload the same file. I'm going to create background again. This time I'm gonna choose this. Now, similarly to the option earlier, all I'm going to do now is click on the share button. You can print with Canva. If you click that, what will happen is you would be forwarded to this section. Right here, you can select the pages to print. Is it going to be front page 1? Is it going to be back none? Or you can put it as well. You can use the standard paper type, premium paper, and of course, how many letterheads, all right? And all I have to do is click on continue, okay? Now, basically, that's it in today's video, how to print in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.